Riêng nó là hai đứa kìa. Quá cái lúc. Now this is the critical part, 36-minute lap. And this is the rinse part. Let's see what happened. This is where the part failure that I'm complaining about. Let's see. Okay, now let's see what happened. See, the problem is I feel that in the quick wash or any other option, the machine never turned like that. When they spit the water out to rinse, they never turn the drum like that. Okay, but this one does, that's fine. But let's see how much water they put in. And it's supposed to be 4, like the quick wash. You saw the video. Now with this, I have the problem is they did not fill enough water and they don't rinse. Okay, they just fill it, quarter tank, and they start suck it out, and they spin. Okay, now let's see what happened. Why they keep spinning? They not stop. Okay. They never did like the quick wash. Look at that. They did not put enough water. Look at this. Look at this. Not even a quarter tank. And now let's see what happened. See? Now they suck the water out. They not even irrigated. And now look, they turn it into spin. So what does that mean? Why? This is the problem I'm complaining about. So the water is not enough. They not rinsed. And also the soap still in the clothes. That's why we got itchy, and that's why how I find out. And look at that. I'm gonna let it continue to run to prove it to you. See? Put the water in, not even a full tank as it's supposed to be. And they suck the water out, and they not even rinse. And now here we go. That's what the failure I'm complaining about. And they start spinning and get the water out. They never rinse. Now they say they spin. Look at that. Yeah, it's a shitty machine. Never buy it. They spin it, they're not rinsing at all. And this is what I don't understand. Also, they left 29 minutes left for just spinning to get the water out from the clothes. You don't need that long. That's a dumb trash machine, okay? That long? 29 minutes. Wow. To spin. All that time, why don't the machine have the rinse just like the quick wash? Never done it. 25 minutes left they spin. So they not do the rinse, and all the time they spin, they put all into spin and take that long to spin, like over 30 minutes. Look at that. It's crazy. Damn thing. Prove it to you. Okay, at 23 minutes still spinning, but I don't know why they stopped, and they might run again. That's ridiculous, really. Sad. Brand new machine having problem. It's a stupid machine, really. And by the way, I've been calibrated 4 times with Samsung support. The same way they do. Turn off the machine, and sometimes we unplug the machine. And I even leave it for 5 minutes longer to make sure everything is clear. So put it back and hit 2 buttons, temp and soy together. Turn on and hit 2 buttons together. Temperature and the soy together. Then come up with CD, calibrate, whatever. That's the letter on the display. Then now hit start. If we did it, they call calibrated, whatever they want to do. Same way every time. Still fail. Never fix the problem. It gotta be the way that how you put it back and reset it back to default, whatever it is. I don't know. But brand new machine coming home, and this is exactly what happened. Since day one, over a month. Very sad where products fail. Brand new and fail out of box. Yeah, right there. 21 minutes left, still spinning. So they put more time in spin than rinse. And look at the machine. Brand new machine. Look at the machine. Brand new. Okay? And look at that. It's a brand new machine. Look brand new. Okay? You got the tag right there. Okay, here we go. Put it back. Continue to record it. Battery might run out, then I'm going to need the battery. Oh, don't turn around like that. Okay, I have to lock it so it won't turn around like that. Okay, at 18 minutes left, look like final spin. That means they spin 30 minutes spin, not rinse. And look at, they speed up. That's what I said. I'm gonna let it go. Prove it to you. Stupid machine. Sorry to say that. So they've been doing, this machine been doing to us over a month that I did not even know that they never got the soap out. I never even know. So that's why we got skin rash, you know, itching. We did not know until I realized there's something going on, because I never have skin rash like that. You know what I mean? So I decide to investigate and see what happened, and I catch the problem. It is the problem with the rinse. They never rinse. Such a failure machine. Who wanna buy this machine fail like that? New, defective. You think who want, any consumer who want this? No way. I won't. That's why I never buy it again. Here, let you see it. Continue spinning. So all they do is they spend 30 minutes spinning. No rinse. Never have the rinse part that you see the video. God damn it. Ridiculous. Failure.